So functional equation, JEE 2019 question, advanced question. What is the question here? Let sigma k is equal to 1 to 10, f of a plus k is equal to 16 into 2 to the power of 10 minus 1, where the function f satisfies f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y for all the natural numbers x comma y. F of 1 is equal to 2, then a value is how much? So actually this point and mainly all these type of questions will give you only result by these two things. These are main things of the entire questions. So now tell me f of x plus y into f of x into f of y. What is the form? Just I gave 6 forms. What is the form? F of x is equal to a power x, right? The form is what? F of x is equal to a power x. Okay, now it is clear. Now what is the given? F of 1 is equal to how much they given? 2. So I can substitute f of 1 here. F of 1 is equal to what you can write here? A to the power of 1. F of 1 is equal to a to the power of 1. And f of 1 is equal to how much they given? 2. Means a is equal to how much you got? 2. So the function is going to change as f of x is equal to 2 to the power of x. You identified this, then the work is done. Right? You need to identify that first. So f of x is equal to 2 to the power of x. Now what is my target here? I will take this question. Sigma k is equal to 1 to 10 f of a plus k. They given that 16 into 2 to the power of 10 minus 1. Right? Now what is f of x? My target is what is f of x now? Identified f of x? You have identified f of x. What is f of x? 2 to the power of x. So f of a plus k will be what? 2 to the power of a plus k. Getting it? So this is, I can write as sigma k is equal to 1 to 10 2 to the power of a plus k. A plus k is equal to 16 into 2 to the power of 10 minus 1. Right? So what we can write now here, this I can spread as sigma k is equal to 1 to 10. Can I write this is 2 power a into 2 power k? And this is equal to 16 into 2 to the power of 10 minus 1. And you know sigma, constant things will come out. So 2 power a is what? Constant. That will be, must be coming out from the sigma. So sigma it is outs. So 2 to the power of a into sigma k is equal to 1 to 10. 2 to the power of k is equal to 16 into 2 to the power of 10 minus 1. Am I right? Right? Now this is, till here is it clear? So 2 to the power of a is a constant. And now I have to apply the sigma. I need to open. Sigma means what? Addition. So I have to open this. So open this, what you get here? 2 to the power of 1. And a k started from where? 1. So 2 to the power of 1 plus 2 square plus so and so 2 to the power of 10 is equal to 16 into 2 to the power of 10 minus 1. Correct? Is it right, sir? Yes. Now we have to simplify this. So what do you write here? 2 to the power of a into, this is the sum of GP. Sum of GP is formula a into r to the power of n minus 1 by r minus 1. Because r is greater than 1. So what you can write here? A is 2 into r is what? 2 to the power of n. How many terms are there? 10 minus 1 divided by a into r power minus 1 by r minus 1. That is 2 minus 1. R is 2, a is 2. Is it clear? AP sequence series GP is equal to 16 into 2 to the power of 10 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is how much? 1. So 2 to the power of a into 2 into 2 to the power of 10 minus 1 is equal to 16 into 2 to the power of 10 minus 1. This is gone, right? Can I write this is a 2 to the power of a plus 1? 2 to the power of a plus 1? What you are doing? Is equal to 2 to the power of 4. So what do you get here? A plus 1 is equal to 4. A is equal to 3. That's it. So in numerical based question it can be asked. JEE means भी ये question पूछते. See here, sometimes JEE advanced questions can be get in JEE means sometimes.